Inky. Hey guys, we're in New York. Did you see this? It's Inky's birthday, and we're getting an outfit for her. Oh, I like that. I like this. Do you do crop top? Oh, that's not bad. You try it on. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad. Get your size. Hey guys, so we're in New York. Inky, come try it over here. Hey guys, so we're in New York for Inky's birthday and for the Naija Independence Parade sale.
It's large. But is it because it's stretchy or what?
Yeah, it's gonna be stretchy.
But you think this is nice?
Yeah, I like that.
I don't want the largest top I can give you. Are you vlogging me?
Yeah. It's been a while.
It's been a long while.
Say hi to your peeps, Inky.
Hi peeps.
What up, peeps?
I've been gone.
But she's back.
I've been on the forefront of Ebola. on the front line.
But literally though.
On the front line, literally. Fighting the infectious diseases of the world. The medium looks kind of small, yeah? I know it's supposed to be stretchy,
yeah,
but
because what you could do is have it tight, or you can. This can be like a loosey. This can be a loosey, and then the skirt tight. You know.
I don't want it to be tight. Like I want it to be
kind of
tight,
kind of how the Kardashians wear it. Anyway, so yeah, we're in New York for the Naija Independence Parade. Kardashians. Yeah, that would be nice. Thank you.
Should I show them or no?
No, just try it on when you put it on, and then yeah. But that one's really good.
Well, I just need somebody to pray. Okay.
Say hi to the peeps. No, it's a video. YouTube. Inky?
Yes, she said trying to stop this happening.
Hey, are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh. What are we supposed to be talking about?
Your outfit of the night.
Oh,
face of the night.
Oh, face. Oh.
Everything.
Is it light enough?
Yeah.
PC.
You said peace?
Huh?
What did you say?
I said, can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Okay. Should I do an outfit of the night?
Yeah. You look like a Christmas tree. Nice. Birthday behavior.
Cut that first part out. It was just a joke.
Are you ready for your birthday dinner?
Yeah, I am. I feel like you're too close to me.
I'm not. Do you have a good? Are you having a good birthday so far?
What'd you say?
Having a good birthday so far?
Yeah, it is. It's good, relaxing, good to be out of the burbs.
Outfit of the night.
Yo, what am I supposed to say here, man?
Outfit of the night.
Outfit of the night.
Yeah.
Yo, can you lie in these things?
No.
So this is not Gucci. Yo, always, man. This is Naija boys, man. We represent with Zara.
Okay.
Zara flexing. We got the Gucci.
Okay.
We got the Meslan. We got the Walmart.
Oh my God.
And this. This shirt, I don't know what the brand is, but I bought it in Brazil. You know, we're doing big things, you know. So I forgot to cut this tag. Okay, that one is fine. So you know, we're killing it out here.
Looks good. Outfit of the night.
Wow. Wow.
What happened?
He took his phone out. It was like.
What
Outfit of the night.
Outfit of the night. H&M jacket. Calvin Klein pants. Calvin Klein belt. Bostonian shoes. Can you see that?
Yes.
Right. Socks. I forgot in like Happy Life or something like that. I think.
Okay.
The socks. Aldo watch. Cartier bracelet. And obviously Naija embalmment. Like T-shirt. I don't know where I got it from. I don't know the name. I try to remember, but
it's good.
Check it out. Got a lion to its name. So. Haircut by Chris. Yeah.
Oh God.
We noticed. That's by Chris. Now let's go to
Hey guys.
Naija
Goddess.
Naija goddess.
Outfit of the night, Ify, come on.
I'll do it at the restaurant.
You say something. Come on. Hey ladies, look here, both of you. Inky.
Huh?
What's
Just to be like, uptown. Uptown? What is it? I don't
So town 58. Is that like a town?
A lot of business here in New York.
Hey guys.
We Ubering.
So we're on our way to dinner. Nikki's birthday dinner.
It keeps us busy.
Yeah. So I have good money too.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
It's good. I like how I'm not getting any love up front, man. Me and the driver, we're not getting love up here.
You say you're not getting no love.
Anywho, it's not
You
even
know, me
about
and the
this.
driver are not getting love up here, man.
Anyways.
Look at me. I'm Nigerian, man. I came in from Louisville, Kentucky, Pennsylvania, since outside Cincinnati, and Toledo.
Royal.
Yeah, me too.
Cincinnati.
You got the Riri or the
winning now.
Ruby?
Oh, the Ruby.
I got the Riri.
I'm a
You know,
Baltimore.
limited
I went to
edition.
Baltimore.
The gold packaging, not the black. No, because some people have the black packaging, which is not the limited edition packaging.
Okay. Anyways, we're on our way to Inky's birthday dinner at
You
town.
got Louisville.
We're gonna meet Nikkei. Because you guys haven't seen Nikkei since her wedding.
And Bday.
And Bday. And we're gonna see Ingo and Kendra. You guys haven't seen Ingo and Kendra since their wedding.
Since the Wahala.
College.
They come along for that or not?
Wait, what?
Yeah. I mean, college kind of getting into college football.
massacre
You know,
of
the ACC this
April
season, man.
2014.
And they're doing all right, man. Like they're 5-1.
They weren't there.
Alright, you can keep that out, right?
No,
just
they
keep,
weren't.
Just
We'll
keep
cut that
talking.
part out.
Okay.
I still can't remember the name I gave those people.
I don't remember what you said to them.
I gave them a name, but I don't remember what.
Okay, so this obviously
This is the limited edition packaging.
Oh, look at that.
The gold one, not the black one.
Anyways, Lawrence wants to get attention.
Yo, man, it's all good. We've already finished gisting over here, man. You guys are there not showing us any love, man. Anyway, what's going on? It's Lawrence. You know, we're doing these big things out here, you know. You know what I mean? We in New York, you know, as in the famous words of, you know, who, the sea girl, you know, we doing big things out here, big things popping, you know what I'm saying?
Why does
You know, we out of here.
That's your people.
No, what's in the famous words of who?
See.
Who's that?
Dinner time.
You already know what I'm talking about, you know, we don't mention no names out here, you know.
What you been sitting on?
Oh, see.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Is that what we call? Oh, ho, ho, ho.
The
Okay.
famous words of Big C, you know. Big things popping out here in New York, you know. All y'all hoes bow down, man. You know, we taking pictures.
You got
of
your
some
dinner
balconies
covered?
now,
You got
know
your
what I'm saying?
dinner
We
covered?
got that dinner covered. We pay our bills out
Oh, man. Shade. Hashtag shade.
Hey guys. Vlogging.
here. Okay, guys.
Hey. Hey guys, so we're on our way to the parade and it's rainy and cold. But what can you do? So I'm wearing my backup outfit. I was gonna match.
Are we gonna go down this way?
Yeah, we can go down this way first.
Go down this way first?
Hold on, you said what street that was supposed
54. Oh no, let's go down. Let's go this way. Go to
here?
50. Let's go down to the 50s.
to? Okay.
Guys, we're walking to the parade. We're all festive in our. It is moving. So we had a birthday dinner last night with Ingo and Kendra and Bday and Nikkei, and it was fun. I didn't vlog because it was really. Well, first we had to wait for our table for like 5 hours, and then it was really dark in there, so it was hard to. It was even hard to take pictures because it was so dark, but I didn't vlog. It was no use. But I'll have pictures on my vlog if you want to see them. Yeah. It's cold. Very cold. So let's see everyone's festive outfit.
Hello. How you guys doing?
Alright, so we'll see you at the parade. Oh wait, let me show you my metallic jewels on my hand. Do you like it in my outfit? Oops. Accidentally zoomed in. Okay. So I'll see you guys later.
same
you
time.
guys are going on the floor, right? He invited us. My sister.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your name? Yvonne.
Nigeria is my country. I love it.
You are. Kiru, nice to meet you. Yesterday was my birthday.
Happy belated birthday!
Thank you.
Nigeria will be fly. Nigeria will be fly. Up Nigeria! Up Nigeria! Yes.
We're not gonna see them again. I know.
We recognize our diplomats. We thank you so much. Nigerians in Nigeria. Voice of diaspora.
Okay, so this is the main place for it. So we have our flow.
Thank you so much. Please move up and talk. Thank you. Welcome to celebrate our country. Thank you so much for your presence. Happy Independence Day. Many ladies, thank you. Take your time. Thank you. Happy Independence Day. Thank you, our ladies. Our first ladies, thank you so much.
Hey guys, so we're still at the parade. There's a performance going I'm in H&M, sorry. And hey, what's up? The guys need or Chris needs an outfit, so we're trying on clothes. So we're in Times Square, and we're looking for the MAC store. Nikki and I are looking for MAC, so we want to get some cosmetics. It's still a little bit on the chilly side. So we had fun at the parade and the festival. We ate food, danced. It was good. I'm glad I got to see some people that watch my videos. So thanks for coming up and saying hi to me. Ooh, Sephora. I know. Sephora. I don't know. So this is this is the only time we have left to like shop and do what we want. So that's why we left the parade and stuff, and then we came out here because we're gonna go out tonight and to one of the parties, but we don't know which one yet. There's a couple. There's a few. And then we're leaving tomorrow, unfortunately. Ew, ew, Chris, look at that baby. That baby is so ugly. My gosh. Let me see if I can like zoom up to this thing. Look at that thing. Wait, Chris, come here. What? That thing is so disgusting.
Oh, I gotta get a picture of him. You get the baby?
Nasty, yeah. Nasty looking.
He's got a napkin, not a diaper. He's wearing his pampas.
That's somebody's father.
Somebody's grandfather.
Somebody's father.
That's grandfather. That guy has kids. He's not, he has grandkids.
Why does he? Because he looks. It's that face.
Tip the baby. Don't just watch. Tip the baby.
Everyone just wants to watch.
You like hear something. But just watch it. That's why I used to get money to pay school fees. Tip the baby.
Oh God.
I just do something. Change his world.
Good morning, guys. So just me and Inky here. We're the only ones left. Inky's birthday weekend is almost over. So we have some time to kill before our flight. So we're gonna go check out this hair store that's around the corner. Hey, Inky, did you have a good weekend?
Yeah.
You had a good birthday weekend? Yeah, we went out last night and it was really fun. So we're waking up on death row right now. This way?
Wait, hold on. It's finding.
Okay.
12-minute walk.
What street does it say?
3rd Ave.
3rd Ave and what? Oh, 1 street up, 3rd Ave and 26, 27. Okay.
Is that far?
So let's go down this way first.
Is that far?
12 minutes? That's fine. That's fine. We can walk it fast.
Okay.
So it won't be like, you know, that long. Yeah, anyway, so we're just gonna go to the store. We have time to kill before we have to leave, so yeah. New York. Every time we come to New York, it's like there's always something planned. So you don't get to do all the stuff that you want to do. So one weekend, Inky and I will be able to come to New York, have no plans, tell nobody, and just do all the stuff that we want to do one day. One day that will happen. Well, probably be next year because this is as much as we'll push for coldness in New York.
Yeah.
So next year when it's spring, summer, so yeah. But that hotel was the same hotel that we stayed at is where I did my birthday from earlier this year. So I really enjoyed that hotel. And I'm glad that I got this hotel again because it was really good. Ooh, excuse me. Oh, face.
Is that what you're wearing?
Turn around, Junior.
Is that what you're wearing?
Turn around.
Turn
Junior.
around. The feet of the day.
That's the best.
Junior!